Hello and welcome to the daily crypto market review. First of all, looking at Bitcoin. Yesterday we saw a quite good volume and decent amount of pump and BTC, approximately resulting to a 4.5% price change to the upside. However, we saw the breaking of the BTC just upon reaching the trend line which I have drawn from quite a while. If you see and I zoom out the chart, this trend line has been respected by the Bitcoin price action towards the downside, forming a symmetric triangle. However, from the support perspective, this has been respected as the support for the downside as well. Another, another shorter degree turn towards the sharper downside was taken on 26th of June, which we can see is also being respected. Now Bitcoin has two immediate resistance trend lines for the upside. The first is right now this one and the second is right now this one. And we also have the horizontal resistance, that is the immediate resistance, which is at $20,800. If we break these two resistance with good amount of volume, which I suspect would happen anytime soon, and then we can see the upside to the $21,555. However, I can clearly see that the volume is dying as we slowly proceed in the market opening stream. If we move towards the stock market right now, we can see the S&P 500 is currently opened in red and is continuing its way downwards. It is a 4-hour chart. If I see 1-hour chart right now, just to emphasize on what we are seeing in the stock market today, so we can clearly see that S&P 500 has a reversal candle shown, and then now we are seeing the reversal of what we saw in the previous days, which we were seeing an upside motion in the S&P 500 and now the reversal candle, and now we can expect a downside. Similarly, in the Nasdaq is closely related to the Bitcoin, and many stock traders respond to the similar positions they are taking in the Nasdaq close to Bitcoin and other crypto assets. If we see, the Nasdaq has also formed a spin top, which we can see is more forcing to the investors to show a further downside or the corrective phase in the price action, which we have seen that the Nasdaq was moving upside, and now we can see it can show a little bit cool off. What we can see, how much Nasdaq has gone up, can be clearly seen. It has gone up approximately 3%, and right now if we correct, it would approximately be retesting the support of 276 points. And if it retests the supports of 276 points, we can easily expect BTC to touch this bottom trend line, or otherwise if it breaks this bottom trend line, we can see the 19,176 level as well as 18,800 level. Moving on towards the dollar currency index, the dollar currency index made a new high from the 20 years today, and it is approximately 107 points in the global currency index. And whenever we see the dollar currency index going upside, we can expect the stock market as well as the Bitcoin to retrace down, which we are seeing in the market as well. The weakness in the Bitcoin chart is clear. Moving on towards the Bitcoin, talking about Bitcoin weakness, we can see in the Bitcoin dominance chart, we are having a very weak bounce and it can head towards the support as well. However, in the longer time frame, if I see on the daily chart, we can expect the Bitcoin dominance to continue upside, which is supposed to be a very normal and most important part of the bear market, that Bitcoin dominance must go up, that is the money flow from altcoins towards the BTC, as more of the investors are attracted towards Bitcoin. However, this is not anytime soon apparently happening, but I still expect, considering the transfer and the exchange reserve in Bitcoin, we can see the BTC dominance shoot up at any point in coming weeks or months. Another important news I had to discuss is that there is a new event coming, Bitcoin Amsterdam, and it is being organized by the Bitcoin magazine, which we saw that they organized the Bitcoin Miami conference, as well as then we saw Bitcoin price falling down when this event was held. Bitcoin price went down from approximately 40,000 to then $30,000, and then the consensus happened. Consensus at that time, Bitcoin price was approximately in $28,000 range, and then it crashed to 19 to $22,000 range. And now we are having another event which is right now Bitcoin Amsterdam. So you know what to expect whenever these events are happening, especially in the year 2022. These events have proven to be very crucial for BTC overall, although they seem to be bullish, but in reality the Bitcoin price doesn't like or react in a manner as expected by the market. Another crypto exchange, Bitstamp, is starting to charge the inactive users a monthly fee of $10.2. If you are using Bitstamp and are inactive over there, then you might need to be careful that your crypto worth $10.2 will be vanishing from your wallet. Although it is not appropriate to say wallet on an exchange, as the cryptocurrency you deposit on exchange is not yours, they are exchanges. And in case of insolvency, the exchanges have the right to impound your cryptocurrency at any time too soon. So therefore, I always recommend you, especially in the bear market, always transfer your assets into your wallet unless you are trading with them, and only trade with a small amount which you can afford to lose. Another important news is crypto brokerage Voyager. Voyager Capital, which recently was supported by the FTX and the Elevator Research for approximately millions of dollars in funds to bail them out. However, they still got bankrupt and have filed bankruptcy today, and that is currently as per the news. So this is what we have for the crypto market today. If the video was useful in any way for you, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.